Hey guys, welcome to LSA Agency demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you how the LSA Agency software works. So LSA Agency is actually a software that finds laser targeted high-ticket recurring clients that you can sell phone calls leads to in just 60 seconds. Trust me, this is world's first powerful phone call lead generating software. So I'm going to show you how this works in few simple steps. So I'm going to log into my accounts to show you how this works. So welcome to LSA Agency dashboard, and as you can see, the first menu is the lead finder menu. This lead finder gives you access to over 300 million businesses and millions of professionals that actually needs these leads and clients. Trust me, which business doesn't need more clients and more paying customers? And that's exactly what LSA Agency does for local businesses. It gets them customers, targeted customers that will call them to book for appointments and get their services. So now once you log into the dashboard, we have the lead finder, like I said. We have the training sections where you can watch the training video to see how the software actually works, and we have the support desk in case you want to reach out to the support. So you can see the welcome message here. You can see the total number of business leads that you've generated, and also the total number of websites that you've created. And when you scroll down a little bit, you see the projects you've created so far. So I'm going to show you how the lead finder works. So I'm going to click on the lead finder. Okay, so here is the lead finder dashboard, and this is where you have access to over 3 million businesses that actually want to get more customers and clients to their business. So now you go to lead search. So once you click on lead search, you enter a specific keyword for the business you want to target. Let's say hotels, or you want to target restaurants, or you want to target plumber, or you want to target any type of local business. All you need to do is just to enter the keyword here. So in this case, I'm going to enter restaurants. Then you enter the search city. You enter the code for the city. Let's say it's California, or it's Texas, which is TX. Any of the states, you just enter the city here. So in this case, I can just enter CA. Then here you specify the number of results you want per page. So here I can just specify this and just click on the search button. Once you hit the search button, it's going to bring out local businesses relating to your keyword. And as you can see, you see different type of restaurants. You're going to have access to their name. You're going to have access to their physical location. You're going to have access to their website. You're going to have access to their phone number. And you're also going to have access to their email address. So this is really powerful. And the beauty of this software is that you don't even have to cold call this restaurant. You can send them done for you emails campaign that actually converts them to a paying client, which I'm going to show you how to do that. So any of the restaurants you want to work with, you can decide to check out their website to see what they actually offer and all that. And the services you're rendering to them is actually getting them more customers to their business. And this is a killer offer that any business will take up, because every business always wants to make more sales and more profit. And the only way they can do that is to get more customers to their business. So I'm just going to click on the add campaign button. So what this does is it actually adds this particular business to your campaign dashboard. So I'm going to click on OK for the campaign to be added. Now, if you take note of the name of the restaurant, you can see there. So let's go to campaign. So once you click on campaign, as you can see, the business has been added. You can see the address, the phone number, the website. You can view their website, their email address is there. So now these are the actions that you can take. Now you can add to task. You use this add to task when you finalize with them and you already have a deal with them. You have the day to work and all that. You can add them to your calendar and start working with them. Now this is where you send the done for you emails that actually sell your service to them. which is lead generation or phone call leads generation. So we also have the copy URL in case you want to copy their website and view it, and you can as well delete the campaign. So I'm going to click on the send email. Once you click on the send email, as you can see, you can select from our done for you templates. Aside selling lead generation services, we also have done for you templates to offer extra services to these local businesses, and you can actually check out their website to know the type of services they might need as well. So you input your subject if you want to actually type in your content and the message, but if you want to use the done for you email, just select one, and before you know it, the emails and the subjects will be added automatically. In case you want to attach any document as well, you can upload that here and you click on the submit button. So this is the first step on how you can actually get local businesses that you can offer phone call leads services to. So now once you find the businesses you want to offer this type of services, the next thing is to check out their site. Most of them have a website, but they don't have a lead generation page. Lead generation page is actually what they need to capture their clients' data, to capture their customers' data, and you're going to provide that for them using our done for you local lead page builder. So with our local lead page builder, you have access to 92 done for you local business lead pages that you can use to create high converting lead pages that convert customers, visitors to customers and leads. So just click on new project. Once you click on new project, you can search based on categories. As you can see, we have for agencies, we have for businesses, we have education, fashion, health and fitness, hotels, medical, pet care, and so on and so forth. So all you need to do is just to select any of the done for you sites. So let's say you want to create a lead page for, let's say, a fitness company or a fitness business. Just click on it, then give it a name. You see that? Then you click on the create button. Instantly it's going to create a lead page for that fitness business. As you can see, project has been created. So it's going to take us to the drag and drop page builder, which is so easy for you to customize the website in few minutes. So as you can see, so this is one of the done for you lead page. You see that it's still loading, and so you can customize everything on this site. If you want to change text, just double click on it. You can delete, you can edit, you can change anything, you can add images. As you can see, if you go to elements, you can add buttons, you can add forms, you can add media, which is pictures and video. So you can do anything. You can add your lead form on this page as well. So you can do anything with this page builder. Is so easy to use, and in few clicks you're done. And once you're done, there are different ways in which you can publish your website. You can decide to just publish your website on our subdomain, which will give you fitme.lsaagency.com, or you can decide to export the files. So you can just click here to download the website files. Once you download the website files, this gives you the ability to upload the website files to the lead page files to the local business website in case they have an existing website. But if they don't have an existing website, you can as well get a domain name for them and connect it to their lead page. So you have three options in which you can use to actually build the lead page. So now we're going to go to the last step. So the last step is actually your agency site builder. Aside building local lead pages for local businesses and also finding high ticket customers that you can sell these phone call lead services to, you can as well build your own agency site. This gives you the authority and credibility for local businesses to trust your brand. So how do you do that? You can as well do that live inside LSA Agency as well. All you need to do is just to click on new project, and once you click on new project, just go to category and select agency site builder. So you see our done for you template, so you can pick and customize any of these 4 stunning templates to create your own agency site, so that you can showcase your services to local businesses, build credibility and close clients fast. So you can just pick any of the templates, then give it a name. Click on the create button. Project has been created. So it's going to load the page editor again that you can actually use to now customize your agency site. So this is a very powerful software. It's a 3-in-1 software that allows you to find high ticket recurring clients, build them lead pages, and also build your own agency site. And aside that, it comes with high converting email template, as I've shown you on the lead finder page, written by professionals that you can use to pitch and close clients easily. So this is how LSA Agency works in few steps. Thank you for watching. Bye.